Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials. Make sure battery health is above 50% and a charger is nearby. Once ready, put the device in airplane mode to reduce background drain and close apps you don't need. Now open Settings, then Battery or Battery Saver options. Tap the Memory Saver or Optimization feature to begin. This reduces background services and cached memory. You'll see estimated gains. Make sure to keep the screen off, while initial optimization runs to speed the process. You choose a preset next. Balanced for everyday use, performance if you need responsiveness, or max saver to stretch battery. Once done, review apps that use the most memory and clear cache for specific apps. Do not clear system cache blindly. Make sure to freeze or restrict background activity for high-usage apps. Adjust sync intervals to 15 or 30 minutes, or set manual sync for email and social apps to cut wake ups. These steps lower RAM pressure and background CPU work. You finish by running the final optimization and then monitor battery percentage for about 1 hour to confirm improvement. Once satisfied, re-enable essential notifications and scheduled syncs you need. If something behaves oddly, apps not updating, or excessive sleep restrictions, reboot the device first. If problems persist, reset the saver profile to default and restore permissions for affected apps. Make sure to test one change at a time so you know which setting caused the issue, and adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.